step-by-step process how to transfer ownership for financed car and how much will it cost. Step 1. Secure the required documents. 1. Notarized deed of sale issued by TFSPH. 2. Latest secretary certificate duly notarized and authenticated by TFSPH corporate secretary. 3. Copy of valid IDs of TSPH authorized officers and signatories. 4. Original OR and CR. 5. HPG clearance. 6. Valid IDs and 7. TPL insurance. Make sure to prepare at least 3 photocopies of all the requirements including your valid IDs, the notarized deed of sale, latest secretary, certificate and copy of valid IDs of TSPH can be obtained once you are done paying your car loan. You will need to set up an appointment before visiting their main branch in Ayala. It will only take less than 30 minutes depending on the queue. No payment needed. Sample notarized deed of sale issued by TFSPH. Sample latest secretary cert. Sample copy of valid IDs of TSPH authorized officers and signatories. Sample OR and CR. The original OR can be obtained after renewing your registration to LTO. You need CTC certified true copy of CR. You have to go to LTO main branch to get it, located at G. Araneta. Note, there's no parking available in G. Araneta, but there are boys attending to look after your car. They charge 50 pesos. Also, do not engage to anyone asking money to get the CTC for you. Obtaining the CTC of your CR is at no charge.
It took us 30 minutes to get the CTC. The queue is not that long. When we went there,
Sample HPG clearance. How to get HPG clearance? Step 1. Go to PNP HPG clearance division at Camp Crane in Quezon City or at any regional or provincial HPG office or satellite clearing station nearest to you. Bring the vehicle for inspection and stencil. Step 2. Bring photocopy and original copy of the requirements. Step 3. Pay 650 pesos in any physical land bank office. The officer will give you a payment form which you need to pay to any land bank teller.
we processed our HPG clearance in Camp Caringal. The nearest land bank office is inside QC City Hall.
Step 4. Go back to HPG office and proceed to macro etching station for stencil inspection. An agent will assist you and will be asked to pay 12 pesos for photocopy of the form that you need to fill out. An HPG officer, when agent will stencil your engine and chassis numbers.
You will need to pay the agent who assisted you and conducted the stencil. In our case, we gave him 200 pesos.
Step 5. Submit the requirements with stencil result to the HPG officer and he will advise you when the clearance will be available for release.
In our case, we processed it on Thursday. We were asked to go back on Monday. Note that HPG clearance is valid only for 7 calendar days. Expired clearance will not be expedited by LTO. Therefore, a new one must be secured again.
Step 2. Transfer of ownership. Go to LTO branch where your car was registered and bring all the requirements. Check the address on your OR to know where your car was registered. Proceed to the LTO inspection reception area. An agent will review your requirements and will give it to another agent for stencil. You will need to pay any amount to the agent who conducted the stencil. In our case, we gave him 200 pesos. After stencil, you will be asked to proceed to lane 1 for car inspection. An LTO officer will inspect your headlight, wiper, etc. Lastly, go back inside LTO inspection office and wait to be called for releasing of documents. It took us less than 30 minutes before documents were released. Step 3 in transfer of ownership. Present all documents to LTO and LTO employee will review all the documents. Go to cashier and wait to be called for payment. It took almost an hour before our turn. We paid 680 pesos. Present the receipt and requirements. To the releasing window, it took us another hour. Finally, we got our updated CR with my name on it. Total cost 1,792 pesos. Tips: bring snacks and water. Bring plenty of patience. The wait can be long. Better to have someone with you who knows how to drive, so you can start lining up to the queue while the other one is looking for parking slots. Bring cash. All transactions are in cash. Bring power bank. It can be a one-day trip if you have all the requirements ready. HPG clearance, RX and updated OR, CTC of CR and LTO inspection. Thank you for watching.